All right. So today we here to clean these driveways up real good. I sealed them probably like 2 years ago. Back to re-clean them. We got weeds have grown. So don't never think that the weeds won't grow back. Just being honest, they got more oil right here. So we're gonna clean these up. Look how they look. Weeds over here. Like, make them look better, man. We're gonna make them look better. Got this driveway. Got this driveway over here, sidewalk. Look, road, gutter out there. This driveway. Little weeds there. Like some new oil stains. Gonna just clean that up much as we can. Pre-treated, post-treat, clean good. Get a good cleaning, man. That's what we're gonna do. Y'all stay tuned, we'll be back. All right. So we're gonna pre-treat all the areas. We're gonna pre-treat all the concrete. We're gonna pre-treat all the pavers. We're gonna go ahead and do both houses. We got this house and we got the next door neighbor. Both of these houses are repeat customers. I sealed them maybe like 2 years ago. Now we're back to clean up everything. They got a bunch of weed growth. It's dirty. They got oil stains. So we come back to clean them up real good. So right here, we're going to pre-treat everything. Pre-treat the second driveway. By the time I get to that second one, that SH have been shot and have been got ready. And then we're going to come back and we're going to surface clean them. I got my daughter with me today, my 7-year-old. She on the camera. So I got a 7-year-old on the camera, but I really think she did an awesome job, you guys. Y'all let me know. But she talking throughout the videos. I'm gonna let y'all hear. She telling y'all what I'm doing, and then she singing and dancing. She doing some of everything today. But yeah, right here, I'm pre-treating everything. And like I say, we're going to let that SH do his job. We're going to come back and we're going to surface clean everything. We're going to turbo nozzle those weeds, rinse everything, and we're going to get this property looking back to like it's supposed to look. So like I said, hey, man, I appreciate everybody, man. All my new subscribers, hey, man, I appreciate y'all, man. Much love on this end. I haven't been real active. Time's been kind of hard with these jobs. I haven't been really, you know what I'm saying, busy like I usually be. So we praying for an overflow this year. Everything gonna go right. We're gonna get more jobs. I'll be able to give y'all some more content. But for the time being, y'all just keep me in prayers, keep the business in prayers, and we're gonna keep grinding. We ain't gonna stop. No matter how slow it get, we still gonna keep going. We're gonna stay active over here, man. I'm gonna try to start back at least posting like two to three videos a week. And y'all just keep me in prayer, man. I'm praying for y'all as well. I'm praying for y'all business, overflow, everything 2024, man. Let's go. So like I say right here, I just got done pre-treating that side. We're going to come down here and we're going to do the same thing, you guys. We're going to pre-treat and then we're going to get the surface cleaning. Y'all stay tuned. I'll be right back with the work. Let's go. Let's do it.
affection, baby. I'm gonna put it it's like this sausage. I'm gonna get it. It's sausage. I'm gonna. Does she work that? Yeah. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. That boy sprayed me. Almost. But he got spraying me though. Someone was spraying my You. Yeah, you. You're spraying my Nice. Don't hide yourself. You're hiding. Why are you hiding? Oh, I see the car. I see the pressure washer. Yeah, he is. Y'all, we gotta do that house over there on the corner of your eye too. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hit that follow button. Let's go. Y'all, I was sitting over there on that other brick thing right there. Sorry. I was sitting on that brick over there. We're almost done with that house over there. And we're just doing this other house. So, yeah. He's doing the sidewalk that he haven't done yet. I was sitting on that little green thingy right there with that little black post by this house. I was sitting on that brick thingy, that green one. And now I'm sitting over here by this house, other house. But you'll see it in a couple of clips. I love my dad. He's amazing. He's my BFF. He my BFF. Soldier boy, tell him all to me. That was me. You break that soda. I want you. Break that. Want me. You break that soda. I want me. You break that soda. I want me. Soldier boy, tell me what we do that thing. Oh. different driveway, which is that one. We already did that one, and now we're doing this other one. And Miracle pressure washing on his truck, and here the pressure washing using the logo. He loves doing it, so you guys, if you want to support him, please let him get supported, and please let him do more houses because he needs this. And yeah, we want more houses, so then we can get more. Yeah. So let us get more houses, and thank you guys for all who did it. And yeah, we love all of you guys, and please let us get more houses. Daddy is Turbo Nozzling. Turbo Nozzling. I don't know how to say it. Now my dad is Turbo Nozzling. If I said it corrected, yes. If I did it, then sorry. Turbo Nozzling.
Wow, what an amazing job for my daughter, man. I love that little girl. She's something else. Hey, man, y'all give her a hand clap, man. I'm talking about she was amazing. I love her. And she told me, Daddy, you got to post a video. You got to post a video with me talking and me telling them the things to do and all that. I said, okay, Daddy got you. So y'all bear with me on this one, man. I had my baby with me. It was an amazing day. I wouldn't take it back for nothing, man. I wouldn't change it, man. I love her, man. And she is amazing. And she gonna kill me because I got her age wrong. I forgot, y'all. She turned 8 December the 23rd, so she 8 years old. But thank y'all, man. I appreciate y'all for tuning in and watching the channel with me and my daughter. I had a ball with her, man. And this is the end of the video. Basically, I'm going to rinse after this, rinse everything off, and then we're going to be out of here, man. Thank y'all, man. I appreciate the love and the support. And until next time, man, y'all stay up. God bless y'all.
You don't spray me. Yes, look at that. Now he's just rinsing it off. And I get to see him now because if he sprays me, I'm going to be mad at him. That's why I'm standing, so then I can move if he sprays me. Yes. This is what it looks like at the end. And let me show you the other one. This is the other one. This is the one from before and after. This is the one for before and after.